Ever notice how procrastination instantly makes you feel better? You don't procrastinate because you don't have time. You procrastinate because your brain is trying to lower discomfort. Think about it. The task feels stressful, unclear, or heavy. So avoiding it makes that feeling drop immediately. The relief that comes after, that's your reward. And so your brain learns very quickly that avoidance works. So procrastination isn't a time problem. It's a relief-seeking behavior. No, it's not laziness. It's also not a lack of discipline. Just a system choosing short-term comfort over long-term benefit. If procrastination feels automatic to you, that's because relief is fast and progress is delayed.